I'm Blaine Breaux with Fryoux Tankerman Service and Fryoux Barge Consultants. Today we'll be speaking about how to properly don and duff personal protective equipment.
Donning and duffing is used to refer to the practice of putting on, donning, and taking off, doffing, protective gear, clothing, and uniforms.
I'm Richie Berg, Operations Manager with Fryoux Tankerman Service. Today we're going to discuss and demonstrate how to properly don PPE.
What is personal protective equipment?
Personal protective equipment, commonly referred as PPE, is equipment worn to minimize exposure to serious workplace injuries and illnesses.
These injuries and illnesses may result from contact with chemical, physical, mechanical, or other workplace hazards.
Personal protective equipment may include such items as gloves, hard hats, respirators or coveralls, and life vests.
My name is Mark Midbow and I'm Baton Rouge Supervisor. What can be done to ensure proper use of personal protective equipment?
All personal protective equipment should be of safe design and construction and should be maintained in a clean and reliable fashion. It should fit well and be comfortable to wear, encouraging worker use. If personal protective equipment does not fit properly, it can make the difference between being safely covered or dangerously exposed. When engineering work practices and administrative controls are not feasible or do not provide sufficient protection, employers must provide personal protective equipment to their workers and ensure its proper donning and duffing. Employers are also required to train each worker required to use personal protective equipment. In order to properly don this ANSI-approved Z28 Type 1 hard hat, you turn the ratchet screw counterclockwise to open the support strap. In order to tighten the headband and properly don the hard hat, you would turn the ratchet clockwise until it is snug on your head.
Other protective measures: protective clothing. Employees performing work that requires special protective clothing shall be directed by the employer to wear the necessary special protective clothing.
When necessary, protective clothing previously worn shall be cleaned and disinfected before reissuance.
PFDs, life preservers, life jackets, or work vest worn by each affected employee must be United States Coast Guard approved pursuant to 46 CFR Part 160, Type 1, 2, 3, or 5 PFD, and marked for use as a work vest for commercial use or for use on vessels. Personal flotation devices shall be maintained in safe condition and shall be considered unserviceable when damaged so as to affect buoyancy or fastening capability. Inspecting, donning, and doffing full-face air purifying respirators.
So that concludes our presentation on the proper use of donning and duffing personal protective equipment. Thank you for your time, and if you need any other information, certainly visit our website at www.fryoux-tankerman.com.